She a ride or die, she sticking with me to the end. She was there since the beginning, so I'll never switch. I told her we gon' make it to the top, and when we get up there, I'm not gon' stop loving her. I ain't gon' put no one else above her. She my lady and I'm...
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be me doing a wash and go on this wig for the very first time. I actually got really bored and I was like, hey, I wonder what's gonna happen if I do a wash and go. So let's get started. So I wanted to get a 360 view of this wig, y'all. Like, after I finished scrunching and stuff, like, I'm just ready to stick this wig on my head right now, but it's just entirely too wet. I'm gonna stick it in the top of my closet so it can dry. So I'm gonna take a towel and then I'm gonna fold it and then put my wig head on top of it, just in case like any more water that's gonna drip. My wig cap is still wet, even though the hair is, I mean, it's not like super dry, but like it's getting there. But yeah, the towel is gonna keep the, it's gonna keep everything contained. So I guess I'm gonna see y'all in a few days. So we are back after 2 long days of letting this wig dry. And look at it, y'all. It took 2 days to dry. It's still kind of damp. It's not even like damp, but it's kind of, I can still feel just a teeny bit of water on the nape area, but when I wear it, it's gonna dry. Let me get a close-up. Let me get a close-up because, girl, I did not know, like, this definition is crazy. So I'm gonna go put this on. I'm not gonna put it on camera because my braids look horrendous. So I'm gonna be back. Okay, so I just went and put this wig on. I did not realize how many baby hairs there were, but this wig, it looks so good. It looks so good. But what I think I'm gonna do is, I think I'm gonna separate the curls a little bit, just because, you know how like when you do a wash and go on your real hair, it's kind of like stuck together a little bit. So I'm just gonna not like separate them. I'm not gonna separate like all of them. I'm just gonna, you know, kind of fluff it out a little bit. I don't want too much. And it looks so much flatter now that I put some gel on the top part. I put so much gel on this top part because it was just a hot, bumpy mess. Yeah, this is pretty much it. I might do like an update. I don't know. I feel like this is gonna last me at least a week, especially because I do not sleep in this wig. I take it off every night. Sometimes I put it on the wig head, sometimes I don't. I'm just give y'all one more look at this. I'm gonna link the wig down in the description box. I have a review on this actually, and I'm gonna link that down in the description box as well, so y'all can get into this. So y'all can wear this and do a wash and go and enjoy it and be a bad. Okay, so it's been like, I don't know, 4 or 5 hours since I put this wig on, and my curls are still defined, don't get me wrong, but it's growing, y'all. It's growing. I'm gonna see how long this is gonna last me. If I stop touching it, maybe it'll last longer. I don't really have a problem with frizz. I love frizz. I think it gives the hair, let me turn this down. I think it gives the hair character, so that's why I'm not really tripping about the frizz. But yeah, this is my like 4 or 5 hour update. Come to the end of this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. All my social media will of course be down in the description box, as well as videos that I have uploaded in the past, plus the link to this wig. So I'll see y'all in my next video.